Hello, dear students. Welcome once again to the online session of Northeast Skills Center. This is Nasreen Furzia, your course trainer for retail services. Today's session is from our core module Visual Merchandising, Unit 5, Install the Display. Today's topic for discussion is outline the safety consideration to note when installing display. So guys, let's begin with our lesson objective. So our key learning objective is, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to outline the safety considerations to know when installing any display. While working in a store, you should know it's important to ensure that your retail space is safe for both customers to shop and employees to work. There are a variety of factors to keep in mind when evaluating the safety of your store. Let's see what are the most common safety considerations to be followed while installing display. The first one is power tools should be used with the correct protective clothing. Second one is electrical apparatus should not be used near water. So be sure to keep good footing and maintain good balance when operating any power tools. Wear proper apparel for the task. Remove all damaged portable electric tools from use and tag them do not use. The risks are greatest in harsh conditions. For example, outdoors or in wet surroundings. Equipment may become wet and may be at greater risk of damage. Difficult to avoid electrical shock if an electrical fault develops. Third safety consideration is do not attempt to move heavy props by yourself. Fourth one, mannequin must be secured properly. Factors leading to injury or muscle strain include the load's weight or shape, the fitness of the person lifting, the position the load is lifted to or from, whether there is twisting or carrying involved, whether proper lifting procedures and assist are in place. Fifth one is remove from or leave at least one item of clothing on the end of the arm to ensure that customers are aware of a potential hazard. This is applicable when you are removing the entire stock from the pictures. Make sure you don't make the entire shelf or picture look empty. Keep at least one item on the arm or on the shelf. So with this, we have come to the end of today's session. Hope you have understood. For more doubts and clarification, please get in touch. Signing off, stay fit, stay healthy, study hard. See you soon. Thank you and have a great day.